Hey, what's up? To do a camera shake on your video, just select your clip, go here and select FX library, and in the select open FX, over here type in shake. You will get this camera shake. If you hover it, you will see that if you move it, you will see how camera is shaking. So to apply it, just select it and drag and drop on your clip. If I click play, you will see that camera is shaking. Make sure that you select the clip and go to effects, open FX, and over here you can see that you can enable and disable camera shake, and you can add some motion scale, speed scale, or motion blur, for example. Also, you have all other options like shake levels, shake quality, and so on, so you can play with this and see what fits you best. And this is how you do the camera shake in DaVinci Resolve. Hope you like it. Drop some comments below if you find this helpful, and see you in some other video. Bye bye.